Yes, good morning students. Now we are going to discuss about cell divisions. So cell divisions, first one is the mitosis. So mitosis is define the mitosis. One cell divide the two daughter individuals. One cell divided two daughter individuals is called mitosis. So one cells divided two daughter individuals is called mitosis. One parent cell divided two daughter individuals are nucleus called mitosis process. So mitosis process, the same number of the chromosomes that transforms the offsprings or daughter individuals. The constant number of the chromosomes, mitotic divisions, they notice chromosome number is the as usual parent chromosomes transforms the daughter individuals. So mitosis there four stages. Mitosis four stages. First one is the prophase. Second one is metaphase. Metaphase. Third one is anaphase. Fourth one is telophase. Telophase. The prophase. First one is prophase. Prophase में two stages, early prophase, late prophase. Early prophase and late prophase. The prophase, the nucleus division is start. The prophase nucleus division is starting stage of prophase. The early prophase, the chromosomes, the single thread-like structures, elongations. The chromosomes में single elongation thread-like structures, number of chromosomes, the net-like structures, chromosomes is formations. Next, nuclear membranes. The nucleus, the nucleolus type of the nucleus, and the nucleus on the encloses the nuclear membrane is present. Nuclear membrane is present in the prophase. The prophase, early prophase, there is late prophase. The chromosome, first of all chromosomes, the elongation, thread-like structure of the chromosomes, absorption of the water in cytoplasms, absorbing the water molecules in cytoplasms, the chromosomes, the elongation, thread-like structure of the chromosomes. So the shortened thickness of the chromosomes is formations. So the shape of the chromosomes late at the end of the prophase. At the end of the prophase, chromosomes is short and the thickness. The chromosomes is short and the thickness. The chromosomes, the chromatids formations. The chromatids formations, the centromeres, the chromatids formations, the two chromatids connecting the centromeres. One centromere is formations. The centromeres, the located the chromosomes or chromatids, is a distinct chromosomes formation. Distinct chromosomes. The chromosomes are most distinct chromosomes. They at the end of the prophase, the disappearance of nucleolus. This is the early stage of prophase, the appearance of the chromosomes or nucleolus. The end of the late, at the end of the prophase, the disappearance of nucleolus. Disappearance of nucleolus and the nuclear membranes, the disappearance of the nuclear membranes or nucleolus. They at the end of the prophase. At the end of the prophase. So at the end of the prophase, the prophase at the end of the prophase, nucleus and the nuclear membrane is disappearance. The end of the prophase or late prophase. The next second one is metaphase. So metaphase, the appearance of spindle fibers formations. The metaphase, the spindle fibers at the end of the prophase, the spindle fibers appearance. But metaphase completely in the spindle fibers formations. The spindle fibers formations, the formation of the equatorial plate. The formation of the equatorial plates. So equatorial plates, the metaphase, the chromosomes, the formation chromatids The chromatin are chromosomes connected the centromeres. The located the centromeres, chromosomes different shapes, the V shape, I shape or J shape. So this different shape of the chromosomes located in the centromeres. The chromosomes, the formations, homologous chromosomes pairing. The pairing the homologous chromosomes, the located on the chromosomes, they located on the equatorial plate. Chromosomes in equatorial plate. Chromosomes located on the equatorial plates. The pairing of the chromosomes, the homologous chromosomes. The metaphase, mainly metaphase. This is the spindle fibers formations. The appearance of the spindle fibers at the end of the prophase. The spindle fibers completely formation of the spindle fibers. Next, formation of the equatorial plates. The middle part of the equatorial plates. The equatorial plates, the formations, the notress chromosomes, the located on the equatorial plates. Located on the equatorial plates, the attachment with centromeres. Attachment with centromeres, the metaphase. So metaphase, the next third stage is the anaphase. So anaphase, the equatorial plates, the metaphase, the end of the metaphase, equatorial plates, the contraction. Equatorial plate, contraction of the equatorial plates. So the located on the chromosomes, the equatorial plates, they so move it. So move the towards the opposite poles. Move towards the opposite poles. Chromosomes located on the chromosomes, the equatorial plates. When the contraction of the equatorial plates, the pressure on the chromosomes move towards the opposite poles. Actually, the metaphase, the middle place of the chromosomes located on the middle place or equatorial plates. So when the contraction of the equatorial plates or spindle fibers, immediately the pressure on the chromosomes move towards the opposite poles. Move towards the opposite poles, the anaphase. So opposite poles, the south poles and the north poles, the towards the opposite poles, the chromosomes movement. Anaphase, mainly anaphase, the chromosomes movement of the chromosomes, the opposite poles of the anaphase. The next telophase. The telophase, the opposite poles. So opposite poles of the chromosomes, so enveloped are surrounded by the reappearance of the nuclear membranes. Nuclear membranes are reappearance of nucleolus. So reappearance of nucleolus and the chromosomes, the short becoming the short and thickness of the chromosomes. Chromosomes, the short and thickness of the chromosomes, and the nucleolus, the reappearance of the nucleolus. So around the nucleolus, the nuclear membranes, the reappearance. Nuclear membranes, the reappearance, the early stage telophase, the late telophase. The early telophase is the end of the telophase. The short and thickness of chromosomes, the enlargement fibers. So enlargement in the fiber-like structures of the chromosomes completely. The nucleolus type of the nucleus is present. So this is the spindle fibers, disappearance of spindle fibers. The cells they completely divide. The cell is completely divides the two cell daughter individuals formations. Two daughter individuals formation. At the end of the telophase, completely spindle fiber is disappearance. And two daughter individuals, one separation is formation, two daughter individual separation, two is formation. Completely this one ends to the another one ends to this proves the completely two daughter individuals is separations, the two cells formations. The telophase, the two cells formation, two cells they so parent cells as the chromosome number is the same number of chromosomes, the mitosis divisions. So mitosis divisions, the functions of mitotic divisions. So mitotic divisions repair of the repairing the damaged cells. The repairing the damaged cells, the mitotic divisions. So mitotic divisions, the worn out, the damages are worn out of the cells. The repairing the mitosis divisions. So mitotic divisions. So mitotic divisions help in the repair of the tissues. The repair of the tissues. Mitotic divisions helps repair of the tissues, the damages and the water out of the cells में repairing or the constructions of the cells में mitotic divisions. So mitotic divisions, the chromosome number is the same chromosome numbers. The parents to the offsprings are daughter individuals. The mitotic divisions. So mitotic divisions. So same number of the chromosomes. The mitotic divisions. The daughter individuals. The chromosome maintain the constant. The certain organisms. So certain organisms, the mitotic is involved in the reproductions. So some of the organisms, mitotic divisions में reproductions में some of the organisms में involvement of the exchange formation of the mitotic divisions. So mitotic divisions, the functions of mitotic divisions, the tissues repairs and the worn out the damages the cells the repairing. The mitotic divisions, constant number of the chromosomes is maintained. The mitotic divisions the help of the chromosomes, the help of the reproductions में mitotic divisions and X में formation of the mitotic divisions the importance of the mitotic divisions. So mitotic divisions, this is the mitotic divisions